Hello guys, welcome back to my how-to channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Wi-Fi grayed out on iPhone iOS 18. Check your battery level. When your battery is below 20%, some features like Bluetooth and Wi-Fi may be restricted to save power. Open the settings app and check if the Wi-Fi has been normal or not. If it's still gray out, then enable and disable airplane mode. First, swipe down from the top right corner to open your control center. Turn on airplane mode, wait a few seconds, and then turn it off to refresh your network connection. After airplane mode, open the settings app and check if the Wi-Fi has been normal or not. If it's still gray out, then check screen time restrictions. Go to the settings app, scroll down and tap on the screen time. In this, tap on the content and privacy restrictions. In the privacy section, look for the Bluetooth sharing option and make sure it is set to allow. After setting it to the allow option, check if the Wi-Fi option has been normal or not. If it's still gray out, then force restart. Press the volume up, then quickly press the volume down. Hold the side button. Don't slide to power off. Keep holding until the screen goes black and the Apple logo appears. Mention that this won't delete personal data and only reloads the phone's code to fix the issue. After force restart, check if the Wi-Fi has been normal or not. If it is still grayed out, then reset network settings. Go to the setting app, scroll down and click on General. Scroll down to the bottom of the screen and click on Transfer or Reset iPhone. Now tap on Reset, then select Reset Network Settings. Then again, click on Reset Network Settings. This will delete saved Wi-Fi networks and VPN settings, but won't delete personal data. After resetting the network, verify if the Wi-Fi option has been normal or not. If it is still grayed out, then update iOS software. Open the settings app on your phone. Scroll down and tap on General. Look for the option Software Update and click on it. If you have any update, then update the software. Make sure you have the latest iOS software installed on your phone. After updating the software, verify that the Wi-Fi is normal. If it's still grayed out, then reset all settings. Go to the settings app, scroll down and tap on General. Here, scroll down and look for the option Transfer or Reset iPhone and click on it. Now tap on the Reset option. From the menu, select Reset All Settings. Enter your screen time passcode and confirm it. After resetting all the settings, check if the Wi-Fi has been normal or not. If it's still grayed out, then factory reset. Open settings on your phone. Scroll down and tap on General. Scroll to the bottom and tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. Select Erase All Content and Settings. This will erase all data and settings on your phone. At the bottom, click on Continue and Confirm. After erasing all data, check if the Wi-Fi is normal. You can see the Wi-Fi option has been normal, and that's it. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my how-to channel.